Ta-da! It's me Sonia. Welcome back. So, cooking with kids can make such a difference in your child's life. Not only you are teaching them valuable life skills that they will take them into their adulthood, but also the time spent in the kitchen with your kiddo is a great bonding experience and you will build a lifetime of memories. According to Montessori education, chopping, cutting, peeling, pouring and transferring and many more activities which we do in kitchen are called practical life activities. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 amazing benefits that your kids will get when you let them help out in the kitchen. Also stay tuned till the end of this video to find out a few important tips on how to involve your kids safely while cooking. So let's get started. So the first benefit kids get is you can engage your kids in a lengthened attention span activity. Toddlers' attention is often jumping from one task to the other because they are so curious about everything around them and are so easily distracted. But you can help increase the attention span of your toddler by providing them with the age-appropriate activities. Children start to show interest in helping in kitchen already when they are very young. My son Ram, who is 2 years old, shows interest in learning and trying new things. Ram loves chopping vegetables. He got so excited that he wanted to try all by himself. You can see here whenever I swing the lid down to chop potatoes, he gets disappointed.
You want to do it?
Okay.
Not coming.
Not coming? Try.
Got it?
Yeah. You want to do it? Okay. Run it. Try kar Rama. You try.
Not coming.
Danger Rama, danger. Okay?
Okay.
Now try. So friends, here is an important tip to remember while cooking with your kids. Teach your kids safety rules before or while cooking with them. Tell them that it is not safe to touch sharp chopping blades. Not coming? Try once again. No, danger. Research shows that school will become extremely difficult and exhausting for a child who struggles to focus. Did you know that screen time actually shortens your child's attention span? So it is best to monitor your child's concentration span during their young age and make sure it is increasing slowly with time. For this, you can observe your child and give that task where his interest is growing. So I have carefully observed Ram where his interest is and gave him vegetable chopping activity which he absolutely loved it.
Got it, mommy, got it.
Okay. This activity helped Ram to stretch and strengthen his attention span. Also friends, one more important tip is teach your kids that occasional spills are a part of working in the kitchen. It's just important to clean up the mess right away. Alright guys, the second benefit from practical life activities is concentration. According to Maria Montessori, a child concentrates when he focuses his attention, his energies on a single work, where the movements of the hands are guided by the mind. And she also says that concentration is the first essential thing for the child's development. And the child who concentrates is immensely happy. Ram absolutely loves this chopping activity. So he's concentrating, focusing on his work, and he's happy.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Every child is unique. So observe your child, find his interest, and give him that activity in the kitchen, which will help him improve his concentration levels. Done.
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 Let's cook.
Hot Rama, okay? Hot, danger. Catch here. यहाँ पकड़. Okay? No touching. Hot.
Alright guys, let's move on to the third benefit. It builds child's independence. Ram saw his big brother cutting an orange and he really wanted to cut it. So he was fighting very hard with his brother.
Mommy, come.
तिने कट करास का उठ शिवा दादा कट करास का तू चेर అవసరం కి రే तू हेटलो उतरी का you wanna cut Rama
Shiva is 8 years old and he knows how to use chef knives safely. And these kind of practical life activities help children become independent and they can help themselves in the kitchen. Alright, the next benefit is it builds control of his body. Many children often show interest in helping their mom in the kitchen while cooking. Ram wants to explore and do what his big brother can do. So when your child is showing interest in cutting,
like this.
teach him knife safety, such
Hand
as
away,
keep
away,
your
away.
fingers
Yeah,
away
away.
from the sharp edges and then cut down any fruit. These kitchen activities like cutting helps children to develop control of self as these require precise hand movements.
yummy
Cheese.
Also, important thing to remember is children who help while cooking or if they have washed or cut a fruit by themselves, then they are more likely to try a new fruit or a veggie. You can always start with these kid-friendly plastic knives and kids will love to use them. Alright guys, moving on to the fifth one, improves hand-eye coordination. Involving children in the kitchen from a young age cultivates a habit that will have lifelong benefits. Some of the activities which we do in the kitchen like measuring, rolling, squeezing, spreading, cutting are just a few of the kitchen tasks that allow young children to develop their fine motor and hand-eye coordination skills.
ये कैसे नाम बा
Teaching your kids the proper way to use a knife is more safer than teaching them to avoid it altogether. All this talking about practical life activities, it reminds me of a Maria Montessori's
Yummy,
beautiful quote.
Yes.
Here
This
it
one?
goes. Please feel free to pause the video and take a moment to read it.
note
So, she says that all these practical life skills helps children to prepare them for
okay?
life.
no touching wow ఎప్పుడు ఆకినా
Abaya.
ఓకే तू eat करस रामा Dada eating
They're eating grapes.
Dada eating grapes
They're eating. Daddy teeth gay. Daddy teeth gay.
teeth गए
Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit that like and subscribe button so that other parents can find this information. I thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.